Irma! Doogie, you ready? Are we ready? Oh, Doogie's not ready. Oh, Doogie knows. Larry! The worst. Doogie, stop it! Where'd you go? The song's still going?
Keep dancing.
I'm out of energy.
Keep dancing.
I rode my bike 12 miles today.
You good?
Listen, everyone, dead serious. Be prepared, stay vigilant, stay safe, and hope this thing goes out west to the Gulf. But, I lost my train of thought. I'm out of energy from doing weird 80s rock dancing. Everyone stay safe, good luck, and we'll see you soon. Rock you like a hurricane.
One more. Rock you like a hurricane.